Welcome to Global Factory Insider. Today we follow these lychees from orchard to factory. Look at how red they are this morning. It's going to be a great harvest.
This row is looking good. Check the firmness on those. Right? Yeah, these are ready.
With the lychee collection finished, the convoy begins its slow journey toward the main road, carrying the harvest under the high sun.
These lychees arrive here for ID scanning and first stage receiving checks.
The shipment matches the manifest. Move it to cold storage.
Keep an eye on the red batch coming through now.
I see it.
Running the quality check on the previous crate.
We have a fluctuation on line 3.
I see it. Adjusting parameters now.
Did you catch the damaged one on the left?
Yes, I got it. This batch is mostly good.
The premium lychees now transition to the washing phase, ensuring peak freshness for delivery. Utilizing strong air jets, the lychees are cleared of dust and lightweight particles, rolling steadily toward the washing zone.
This washing system removes dust and prepares the lychees for safe processing.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi.
Good, the micro debris is clearing.
pitting accuracy is holding at 99.8%.
Confirmed. We are clear for continuous operation.
This cutting line prepares the lychees for juicing with safe, precise slicing.
The glossy white pulp flows smoothly along the trough, gently guided by the rotating paddles toward the filtration system for final processing.
The fibers are separating cleanly.
Clarity is within tolerance on this batch.
As the system heats, the blended juice reaches pasteurization temperature, ensuring safety before bottling.
The pasteurized juice flows into a rapid cooling chamber, instantly dropping to a safe storage temperature.
The centrifuge is operating at peak efficiency. The clarity levels are precisely within tolerance.
This stage prepares the lychee juice for clean, efficient bottling and sealing.
Check the temperature on line 3.
Looks good. Seal integrity verified across the board.
The gauge reads optimal tension.
Seal is complete. We are clear for transport.
Are we still clear on route adjustment for the bridge closure?
Yes, confirmed. Manifest is updated. Have a safe trip.